Let's quickly show you on how you can make a withdrawal from your Deriv account. You go to the website deriv.com. Let me use this browser. So let's imagine I'm just going there for the first time. So this is Deriv. Okay, deriv.com. Okay, I think I've signed in before, so it can be relatively easier. First thing, once you log in, come back to your cashier, click on payment agent. Once you do that, you move straight down. Once it loads, you move straight down to your withdrawal. So instead of deposit, click on withdrawal. Then an email will be sent to you. Go back to your email. This is your email. You will see Deriv. So I'm waiting for it to come here. Good. So we can see. Click on that, and then click on it is me. Okay. Then it pops up the page for withdrawal. Then next thing is just come here and search for Ofenetworks Global Solutions. So Ofenetworks. Can you see Ofenetworks already here? So you click on this drop down menu. So once you click on that drop down menu, it will load the icon for the amount. So let's say this context we just want to be just $69.69. Click on continue, confirm, transfer now. Can you see? You have transferred $69 for Ofenetworks Global Solutions. So this is actually how it works. You go contact us and send a proof, and then you get paid. Thank you and God bless you.